Welcome to this tutorial on how to add Pinterest widgets and buttons to your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn every step to seamlessly integrate Pinterest into your site editor. Begin by navigating to your WordPress homepage, where you will initiate the process by logging into your account. When you first arrive at the WordPress site, look toward the top right corner of the page. There you will find a login option that will allow you to access your website settings and customization features. After you click the login option, you will see multiple ways to sign in. To simplify the authentication process and take advantage of your existing credentials, select the option that allows you to continue with Google. This shortcut is particularly useful if you frequently use your Google account across multiple platforms. When you click continue with Google, a prompt will appear asking you to choose which Google account you wish to use. Review the list of available accounts and select the one you want to use for accessing your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your WordPress dashboard, where you can manage every aspect of your site. In the dashboard, you will notice a section labeled Quick Links. This section is designed to give you immediate access to some of the most frequently used functions. Within the Quick Links area, find the option to edit your site. Simply click on the Edit Site link and you will be taken to the page editor, where you can begin making changes to your website layout and content. Now that you are in the website editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The next step is to add Pinterest to your site. Look towards the top left corner of the editor, where you will see a plus icon. This icon is key to enhancing your website because it allows you to add various elements to your page. Click on the plus icon to bring up the list of available widgets and plugins. A search bar should now be visible. Type in the name Pinterest in the search field to filter the options. The search result will display the Pinterest widget. Click on the Pinterest widget to add it to your website. This action will integrate the Pinterest functionality directly into your site editor, making it accessible for further customization. After the widget is added, you will need to connect your Pinterest account to the widget. To do this, enter your Pinterest URL into the space provided within the widget's settings. Once you have typed in your URL, look for the button labeled Embed. By clicking Embed, you will connect your Pinterest account with the widget, enabling the two services to communicate. This connection is essential for automatically displaying your Pinterest content on your WordPress site. With the widget configured, confirm your changes by clicking the Save button located at the top right corner of the screen. Saving your work ensures that all adjustments are applied to your website. Congratulations, you have now successfully added a Pinterest widget to your WordPress site. Enjoy the enhanced integration that brings your Pinterest content to life and makes it easier for visitors to engage with your creative ideas.